Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Suri Studio. Welcome back to Linux season. Today we will discuss about backup and restore. Backup. What is backup? First of all, a backup is the process backing up the making of copies of data that may be used to restore the original file after the data lost event. Why? Because this backup and restore. For example, in server memory is full or else storage is full, you will get the one incidents or service request. We need to free up the space and all. What we can do? First, we can back up the files. Means we need to copy that original file into the another location or else temporary location. Then we need to delete that original files to get the free of the space. But in server, that original files copied to the another location, we have a problem with that memory. For that, we need to archive that files, whatever the files and directories in that server, we can archive it to get the to get free space in server. Purpose: we have a two types of purposes is there. One is the primary purpose is to recover the data after it's lost. If any means system crashes or server crashes, for that we can get the backup. Okay, or else if any in the team, if anyone by mistakenly delete the data in the server, at that time the backup data is used. Okay. See here, 67% of the internet users have suffered serious data loss, whatever it is, by manually or else physically, or the server crashes. At that time the data will lose. For that, we need the backup. Second purpose is data from an earlier time. According to the user defined data retention policies typically configured with a backup application for how long the copies of data is required. This data retention policy means usually 90 days is there, but maximum in servers in real time, that backup data retention policy is 90 days. But if it is a important data, or else they can set the retention policy to 120 days or 6 months, like that. Then backup is the most important job of the system administration. As we are a Linux administration, this is the one of the important job to take the backup of the applications every day. Fortunately, we use the tar command to create the archive files. It can pack the files and directories into a tar files, like a WinZip in Windows, without much compression. Then, what is an archive file? It's a compressed of one of more files along with metadata. Archive files used to collect the multiple data files and directories together into the single file for easier portability and storage, or simply it compress files to use the less storage space. As we discussed before, to get the free of the space, we need these archive files. Or else if you need to send this file to another servers, like for example this file required to for other servers as well, means other applications, we can use the rsync and sec command to send these archive files to the other servers. Okay. Tar means tape archive, used to archive and extract the archive files. Tar command is the one of the important command which provides the archiving functionality in Linux. This is the syntax. Tar options, whatever, means we have options in tar, that archive file and directory archive. Options of the tar means one is create, C means creates archive, X means extract archive, capital X means exclude some files into the particular, whatever the folder or directory we need to archive that folder, we need to exclude some files into that folder. We can use the -x command. -f means create an archive with given file name. T. Display the list of archives in archive without extracting that files. V. Verbose. Z means zips. Tell tar command the tar file using of which these all are the commands to archive the files. Create an uncompressed tar archive using the cvf. Tar -cc means create a file. cvf. Okay. File. File.tar. Which file we need to tar the file means source. Let's connect to the server. Putty. Load it. IP address here. Our mission IP address. This we need to change some settings. Bold 16. Okay, open it. Yeah, it's opened. Yeah, let's answer it. First tar -cvf. I can save this /etc folder to /opt/etc.tar file to /etc. Okay, let's see it's tearing the all files to /opt. Yeah, that file is there here. I'll go to cd /opt ls. See, /etc file is created here. Okay, means whatever the in /etc directory, that all data we back up to this path. Okay, let's check the how much data in /etc folder. For that, du-sh/etc. See, 32 MB is there. Okay, we can check this tar data as well. Tar /opt. See, 29 MB is there. So 3 MB is compressed. If you want to compress more, we can use the gzip. Okay, or else same file we can use with z option. We can use same. We can use the z option here to gzip. cd/opt ls-l. We can use du-sh/etc tar. Sorry, opt mistake. Opt. See, it's compressed to 10 MB. Before it's 29 MB is there. Now it's at 10 MB is there. It's compressed to almost 19 MB. As it is a small file, in real time we have a GBs of data in that folders whatever we are taking the backup. At that time it's very useful. Okay, we can use the bzip as well. We have a other option as well, bzip as well. We can use it. tar -cvc/opt/bz/bz2/etc file. Okay, Let's go to /opt file ls-l. See, we have it. Two files is there. This archive is done. After archiving, if you want to gzip the file directly, you can use the gzip of the file. Gzip command, for example, gzip this one /etc file. Yeah, it's done. du-sh /opt/etc. See, it's got 9.8 MB. Okay, before it's a 10 MB is there, right? Now it's a 9.8 MB. After the archive file, how to extract the file? Okay, now it's a backup is done. Okay, if you want to read the files without extracting the tar file, just give tar-tvf. See, it's displayed the all files without extracting it. Just read the files. You can check it which file, how many files and how many directories and there in the tar file and all. Okay, yeah, if you want to extract these files here, just give tar -x means extract vf /opt/etc.tar. It's extracting now. Yeah, see, it's extracted. See, this folder, one new folder is created. Under this folder all files is there, that whatever the files in /etc folder, that all files and folders there in etc folder in opt directory. Transfer the files other systems and remote gzip and tar from it. This is the command to send transfer the files other systems and remove gzip and tar from it. Check the size of every step. This is the command scp, or else we can use the rsync command as well. scp command, from where you need to, this is the source path /opt/etc.tar.gzip2. This is the destination of IP address : where you need to paste it, means we need to copy that file under /root. Yeah, that's it for backup and restore. Thanks all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.